Is this website joking with me or what? I asked for a cinematic shot, and, my friends, it completely caught me off guard. I'll just let you watch and see for yourselves. Sure, I wanted a professional and quick video, but not in such an absolutely mind-blowing way. Veo 3. Today, my friends, I'm going to show you a website I recently discovered that has some of the most powerful AI tools I've ever seen. And it's not just that. Let's say you want to make a promotional video and animate your product in a really eye-catching way. You can either create the image directly with this site, or, if you already have an image, you can upload it, run it through Kling AI, and get results like this. These are just 2 AI tools out of hundreds available on this site. If you learn how to use them to your advantage, you can do the impossible, create incredible work, and even generate significant income. The idea of these advertising videos is just one example. This site has a massive collection of features and tools that can be useful for almost anything, from photos, videos, and stories to audio, background removal, and quality enhancement. Honestly, I can't even list them all in a short video like this. The moment I saw this website, I signed up right away and started making a video for you, because it's truly legendary. And the best part? They're always adding the latest AI features. When I first entered the site, I got completely lost. I didn't even know where to start, because you can create anything here. You can literally make a full film from start to finish using only this AI. For example, the clip you're watching now was made entirely using this site. You'll find the link to the site, called OpenArt, in the first comment. There's also a gift for you, a discount code. If you use it, you'll get a discount on top of all the amazing features. There's a dedicated section for creating images from scratch, where you can edit just like you would in a photo editor, basically like having Canva built into OpenArt AI. But it doesn't stop there. OpenArt also has a built-in video editor. What more could you ask for? You can make videos from scratch, upload your own images, or create them with OpenArt's AI tools. So I thought, why not make a professional advertising video? A lot of people have products they want to promote, but don't know how to create an ad for them. I went to ChatGPT and asked for product ideas to try on this site. After a bit of searching, I came across a bottle. Then I asked ChatGPT to write me a prompt for the OpenArt to create an image of that bottle. The animation or video creation would come later. I also told it to put the name Minato on the bottle. You'll see the result in a moment. I went into OpenArt, selected the image designer, picked one of the many available styles, and pasted the prompt I got from ChatGPT. I kept almost all the settings as they were, then chose how many images I wanted to generate. The more images or videos you make, the more credits you use up. And that's really the only downside. The site isn't free. But honestly, you're not losing anything if you invest in it. I generated 4 images, and they came out super fast. Here they are. I can choose any one I like. This one looks great, and this one too. Since I don't have an actual product at home, I can just pick any of these. They all look good. I can also edit any of them, add text, change elements, whatever I want, and then download the final image. Of course, I could have made something much better, but this was just my first test, and I didn't have a real product to work with. Next, I went into OpenArt again and told it to animate the bottle to make it look professional, and using ChatGPT, I ended up with this result. Then I remembered I had a pillow at home with the Minato logo on it. I sent that to the site too, and it came out like this. If you want to use OpenArt AI like I did, to make promotional videos, films, stories, cartoons, or just about anything, remember, what I just showed you was only simple product animation. There's so much more you can do. If you enjoyed the video, my friends, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so we can get the engagement going again. The link to the tool is in the first comment. Try it out if you like it and think it's worth subscribing to. Use the promo code I mentioned earlier. You'll find it in the first comment, and it'll give you a discount. Thanks for watching. This was Mr. Minato.